It's bedtime. Show me smiley guy. Show me smiles. Come on, Carson. Yes. Carson, who are you? What's up, Carson? Huh? Look at the doggy. Wave to the doggy, Carson. Carson, who's Daddy? Who's Daddy looking at? Carson, you gonna smile for the camera? Yes. Yes. Good. Smiley guy, huh? Smiley guy, Carson. Yes. Smiley guy. Who's got ya? Who's got ya? Smiley guy. Yes. Smile for Mommy and Daddy. Smile for Grandma and Grandpa. Smile for Grandma and Grandpa. Ooh. Carson, you're so big now. You're like 13 pounds. Ooh, that's scary look, Carson. Don't stare right into the camera. You don't need to stare right into the camera. Just say hi, Daddy. Just say hi, Daddy. Yeah. Yes. Smiley boy. Yes, Carson. Look at Daddy, Carson. Carson's in his sweet peace seat. He's got the sound of thunder and rainforest birds. He's got a vibrating chair with a soft bed and a rocking mechanism that goes back and forth. And then what we do is we do a little binky. And we put in the binky. We say, here, Carson. Open up, buddy. You don't want the binky? There you go. Good boy. Take the binky. Look here, Carson. Take the binky. You're being good. Good boy. Now that you've got the binky, oops. Let's lock you in, okay? Now Carson is in binky lock so that he cannot spit out his binky. And we're gonna rock him on level 2. And Carson will just fall asleep like a good little boy. We're gonna put it on. Lights off. And we're gonna turn on the other light so that you're happy. You're gonna turn on your night light. There you go. Now we've got night light so that Carson can go sleepy. Be good boy, go sleepy, Carson. Okay? Good night.